We're always looking for something healthy. I have some peaches, some blueberries, and some kale. I'm going to make a really great healthy salad that's delicious too. Stay tuned. This is a quick and delicious healthy recipe using kale. If you don't like kale, give it another try. I'm going to show you a great vinaigrette that you're going to pour over the kale before you add the other ingredients that will make the kale not quite as tough. And it'll make it a little more, I don't know, maybe texture. If you have a problem with the texture, that'll help. But kale's so good for you, so don't give up. So the vinaigrette starts with half a cup of lemon juice. To that, I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of avocado oil. Avocado oil is kind of a light oil. You can also interchange vegetable oil if you wanted to, or olive oil. That would be good. But avocado oil is easy to find now, and it's really good for your heart and for your skin. As a matter of fact, some makeups even have avocado oil in it. To this really easy vinaigrette, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of local honey. That looks pretty good. And some poppy seeds. Very simple vinaigrette. I'll whisk this together. Get all that honey incorporated. And do a quick pour over the kale. Now the combination of the lemon juice and the avocado oil will help make the kale greens tender. So now for the good stuff. I'm just using local South Carolina produce. I have some fresh peaches that I've diced. I like to leave the skin on my peaches. I wash them, but the skin has some good flavor and good nutrients, and it doesn't taste bad. So add a few of these. Then some local blueberries. Put those in. Some blue cheese. Always a South Carolina favorite. And then I'm going to add some red onions. You can use just sliced red onions, but I've made pickled red onions. I keep these in my refrigerator all the time. And if you'd like the recipe for these pickled red onions, they are on the YouTube channel. Just go to the tips and tricks section and you will see them. And for a little crunch, I'm going to add some pepitas, which are pumpkin seeds that have been roasted and salted. And that is our very easy salad. Let's give it a taste. If you want to make this a dinner salad, just add some chicken, some fish, some shrimp. Get a bite of everything. The dressing has already softened the kale a little bit. The peaches are very sweet. You don't really need any more seasoning like salt and pepper with the blue cheese. And the honey is just enough extra sweetness with the blueberries and the peaches. The avocado oil has no different taste than olive oil or vegetable oil, but it's also healthier for you. So I think this is a good recipe all the way around. I hope you'll try it. If you'd like to see more recipes like this, please subscribe. For complete ingredients and cooking instructions and to purchase cookbooks, visit cateringbydebbicovington.com.